So now that it's the weekend, we have finally got our combine operator back. It's Luke, Jamie's son. He's 7, I believe. I'd say he's doing a better job than Jamie so far. Luke's still picking corn. Doing a pretty good job, I have to say. I've got him trapped. Probably won't last long. Well, I'm heading to the truck right now to unload. We're about halfway done with this field. We've probably got a little over halfway. We're going to try to get this field done today. We're probably going to call it quits after that. Monday, early Monday, I guess we're going to try to get stuff moved to Sand Mountain, which is about a 2-hour combine, maybe about an hour and a half, 2 hours. That's where we're going. We've got a grain bin out there that we're going to put all the corn in from out there. So that's where we're headed next after this field, because all the corn we got left back up here on the mountain is what we had left when we got through planting out there, and it's some of our last fields that we planted because we had a bunch of leftover seed. So, and in some fields we should have upped the population a little bit, like our contest field. We should have upped the population a little bit. There's a lot of stuff we wish we would have done that we'll do next year. So right now, I'm headed to get the truck, Jamie's truck, not the truck, it's Jamie's truck. I parked the grain cart. We're done with this side of the field, and we can enter this field on either side. So we're gonna start loading the trucks out over there. And we really just don't feel the need to drive all the way back across the field just to load the trucks when we got 2 good spots on each side of the field that we can load the trucks. So I'm gonna move Jamie's truck over there, and then while I'm doing that, he's gonna try to fill that grain cart. Then I'll make a load back over here to top this truck off, and then Frank's gonna park the other truck over there. So we're moving around all the equipment up. Just getting out, stretch my legs. But here's another part we've cleaned up. We didn't plant any sun hemp on this part. Just simply the fact we wanted to get it right there because that was the spot we had cleaned up the most. We went in, we disc it, then we started windrowing it and run the dew all over it behind the windrower. That'll be good to go for when we plant. But this winter, we're going to get a lot of video this winter. We've got a lot of land to clear up. I'm going to try to get some cameras for the excavator and the dozer. Not for sure which one I'll be in. More than likely, I'll probably be in the skid steer after we get through drilling oats. I'll probably just be moving stumps to brush piles, stuff like that. And Jerry, who's our dozer operator, we want to wish Jerry a happy 70th birthday. We went and ate for his birthday for lunch. He's a good dozer operator. He's run a dozer for years. So he'll be in the dozer. Our excavator operator, he's new. I don't really remember his name, but we'll get some good video of that. I know y'all want to see the combine as it's passing, but you can't. So we've looked at renting a bigger dozer just with a root rake on it to go deeper in the soil, or the ground, not really the soil, to go deeper in, to dig up a lot of the roots, get down to the hard pan, because we're going to spend a lot at that one particular farm I'm talking about. We're going to spend a lot of time down there this winter, cleaning it up, getting it ready for next year. There's some spots we should be able to get cleaned up pretty quick to be able to plant oats on. We're just going to have to work fast and hard and long hours while we're down there. If it's dry enough, there's some spots in there where it's really wet. It's right on a creek. It's creek bed land. It'll be an awesome field. Jamie's mentioned, you know, down the road possibly putting pivots on it. And if he does, that'll be awesome. We don't have any pivots right now on the farm. We've just all dry land really, and we depend on Mother Nature. So I'm gonna try to get a lot of video this winter. We've got a lot of stuff coming up. We're like this year round, covered up with stuff to do, with us buying land and simply the dozer running, the excavator running, between oats, beans, and corn. We're covered up really. So there's gonna be a lot of footage to come. I just parked Jamie's truck in the weeds. How happy y'all think he'll be about that? No, I'm just kidding. It's not weeds. It's sun hemp. That's what I was telling you about earlier. See, look. Look at this. Pretty stuff. Good, pretty. For the day. We're heading back to the farm. We're gonna get ready to move everything out the Sand Mountain. Jamie dropped me and Frank off to get the tractor and the truck, and we're gonna call it quits. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope everybody else's harvest goes good.